Hi, it's Kozue. Today I want to try using chrome powder when doing nail stamping. I've done this sometime with gel nails, but maybe it's my first time with polish. Maybe I did try it once? Alright, let's get started. I washed my hands, then cleaned off any moisture and oils with ethanol, and applied OPI Nail Envy. I used Wonder Nail number 19. I wanted a brighter blue, but I didn't have one. This muted shade is pretty, though I wanted more summer vibes. I apply this to all my nails, 2 coats. A big stamper today. I'll explain later why I'm using a large one. And this chrome powder. I bought it years ago from an overseas site. I love this palette style chrome powder because it doesn't fly everywhere. I rub the chrome powder onto the stamper. This can damage a stamper and scratch the surface, so I recommend using your second or third best stamper, not your favorite one. I'm rubbing a much larger area than the size of my nail. This plate is from an overseas site, and the stamping polish is the one I bought at Walmart in Hawaii. Because of the chrome powder, it's hard to see the design you want to pick up, so I use a larger stamper and make sure it covers the entire design I'm aiming for. Once I pick it up, I stamp it onto the nail right away. This stamper is pretty firm, so I roll it from right to left. I wonder if the chrome powder effect is showing properly. Maybe it's harder when using polish. So for comparison, I'll stamp normally on my right hand. I'm stamping with that super pigmented polish I bought in Hawaii. This stamper is soft, so I roll it from the nail base toward the tip like this. After stamping, I brush top coat onto the stamper, let it dry for about 20 seconds, then press it onto the stamped nail to create a thin protective film. When I use polish, I apply 2 layers of top coat. After the first layer, I let it dry really well, then I go in with the second top coat. Two layers of top coat and it's done. It's still so hot these days, I have zero energy to do anything, so I went with a quick nail look, just a ring finger for the art. Left hand has chrome powder, right hand doesn't. It's not really a shiny mirror look. It's more like the whole nail is dusted with silver powder. You get a pearly sheen over the entire nail, even in the areas without any design. With gel, the metallic effect shows much more clearly. On the right hand, the normal stamping looks crisp and bold. With today's muted base color, the pearly finish actually matches really well. Next time, I want to go for a busier, more playful design. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!